Leaf Pop Century 2871. Let's do this thing. Good luck to you all. We obviously find out what we hit first and then go from there. Good luck. And then the next one's for the random hit. All right. Oh, God. Up first, it's Uncle Rico. Oh, boy. Let's just throw this all away. Uncle Rico. Scripted signatures. That is numbered to 12. Jesse Metcalf, Team Dream Magazine. Jesse Metcalf. What was he in? Brent Spiner. Obviously from some sort of Star Trek. And Charlie Sheen. 1 of 3. Oh, boy. 5 times, here we go. 1, 2. Oh, yes. 3, 4, 3, 4. And on the 5th and final, Rico, Metcalf, Sheen, Brent. Let's find out who's got what. If you guys want another of that, let me know right now. This is a great opportunity to get involved in some more of it. All right, Charlie Sheen going the way of David Hull. Brent Spiner going the way of Agus. To 3. Jesse Metcalf going the way of Samuel, and Glenn picking up Uncle Rico. How's that?